This video will show you how to clean the grease filters on your microwave. The grease filters in the ventilation opening should be cleaned frequently. Grease should not be allowed to accumulate on the ventilation openings, louver, or grease filters. Make sure to never operate the fan without the filters in place. As a reminder, use care when cleaning the louver and the grease filters. Corrosive cleaning agents, such as lye-based oven cleaners, may damage the louver and the grease filters. The grease filters are located on the bottom of your unit. On the grease filter, pull the tab towards the front of the oven, down slightly, and remove the filter. Repeat this step for the other filter. Soak the filter in a sink or dishpan filled with detergent and hot water. Do not use ammonia or other alkali, as they will react with the filter material and darken it. Scrub with a brush or sponge to remove embedded dirt. Rinse thoroughly and shake dry. Finally, replace by fitting the filter back into the opening.